our 17-inch flatbread and sandwich panini press. First off, the overall dimensions. The length of 17 inches, depth of 12 inches, and the overall height of 7.5 inches. Top and bottom are groove plates to press and warm your sandwiches, and the bottom waste tray that can be removed for cleaning. The measurements for the grill plate: we have 13.5 inches in length and a depth of 9.25 inches. Bottom is the temperature control along with your light indicators. 110, 120 voltage along with the SA certification located on the back of this press. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.